Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best clock parts is probably one of the most crucial elements for any clock enthusiast, whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious beginner. This video will delve into the intricate world of clock parts, exploring the different types available, their functions, and how to choose the right ones for your specific needs. From the delicate escapement mechanism to the robust pendulum, we'll cover it all, ensuring you have the knowledge to build, repair, or maintain your timekeeping treasures with confidence and precision. Number 5. High Torque Clock Movement Kit. This kit is perfect for repairing or creating your own unique clocks. It includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive 2 high torque clock movements and 5 pairs of hands in various styles. These are great for a variety of clock projects. It offers precise timekeeping with a quiet, sweeping movement, ensuring a peaceful atmosphere in your home. The movement is designed to fit clock panels between 9 and 13 mm thick, and it's ideal for many clock types, from cross-stitch clocks to wall clocks. With 5 different hand styles, you can personalize your clock to match your decor. Let your creativity shine. This kit makes clock repair and creation simple. Even beginners can easily use it to create a beautiful, functional clock. What we like. It comes with 2 clock movements and 5 different hand styles, giving you lots of options for your DIY projects. If you're looking for variety and value, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to experiment with different looks and have multiple clocks to repair or build. What people say. These are great replacements for movements that weren't working. They are quiet and include second hands that sweep silently on the clock face. Easy to install and good selection of parts. 2 motors and a variety of arms makes these replacements a very good deal and saves a new wall clock when the motor goes bad. A good clock replacement kit has lots of hands to swap out, including second hands. Also has the extra washers, nut, wall handing and such to finish everything up. Mechanisms are very quiet and do not tick. Number 4. Hicarer Clock Movement Mechanism. This high-torque clock movement is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and clock repair. It's designed to drive long clock hands, making it ideal for larger clocks. It boasts a long shaft, measuring 28 mm in total length, and a powerful torque to ensure smooth and reliable operation of your clock hands. It's compatible with clock panels ranging from 9 mm to 13 mm in thickness, offering great flexibility for various clock projects. The package includes extra long hands. The hour hand is 203 mm and the minute hand is 305 mm. Make sure to check the dimensions before purchasing to ensure a proper fit. It's a great solution for repairing broken clocks or creating your own unique timepiece. It's simple to install, but remember to avoid excessive pressure on the aluminum parts. Some components are made of aluminum, so please handle them gently during installation to prevent bending. Avoid applying too much force. What we like. This kit stands out with its extra long, 12-inch hands, making a statement on any clock face. If you are looking for a dramatic look for your clock, this is the one for you. It's ideal for large clocks or those who want a bold design. What people say. They work perfectly. You can hear the tick of the clock, but it is not super loud. This is actually in my bedroom and it does not keep me up at night. I can barely hear it and I have great hearing. I was finally able to get my large clock working again. It's so easy to replace the mechanism and it's keeping perfect time. Was able to fix my large wall clock with this kit quickly. Number 3. YoungTown 12888 Clock Movement. This is the YoungTown 12888 clock movement, perfect for DIY clock projects or repairs. It's easy to install and use, bringing new life to your clocks. Is your clock ticking erratically or stopped completely? This movement is the ideal solution for repairing or replacing your old clock mechanism. It's simple to install and get your clock running again. It's designed for quiet operation, so you can enjoy the peace and quiet of your home. It's also very accurate, keeping perfect time. It's great for various clock types. Use it in cross-stitch, 3D embroidery, craft clocks, or frameless clocks. The possibilities are endless. Installation is a breeze. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the process. You'll have your clock running in no time. It has a 23 mm total shaft length and fits clock panels 9 to 13 mm thick. Remember to check your clock's dimensions before purchasing to ensure compatibility. What we like. It's known for its quiet operation and compact size, making it perfect for bedrooms or any space where quiet is key. If you prioritize a silent clock, this is a great option. It's simple to install and use, making it perfect for beginners. What people say. Works great, hands fit nice. I got these specifically because of the longer shaft that goes through the hole in the clock. How thick is the clock? You need to be sure the shaft of the works is long enough to fit through your clock. It's keeping good time, and was easy enough for me to figure out how to do considering I've never worked on a clock before in my life. Fixed my Taylor outdoor resin clock in 5 minutes. Took longer to get the old mech off than to install this new mech. Clear instructions as to assembly sequence. I liked the rubber gasket that prevents the mech from turning without over-tightening the shaft nut. Selection of 4 hand styles and you can include or not the second hand. Number 2. Hicarer Clock Movement Kit. This kit makes fixing or creating your own clock a breeze. It includes everything you need for a simple and satisfying project. It offers accurate timekeeping and a smooth, quiet operation. Enjoy peace and quiet without the annoying tick-tock. It's suitable for various clock styles and sizes, perfect for repairing or building clocks of all types. Choose from 5 different pairs of hands to customize your clock's look. Find the perfect style to match your taste. With a shaft length of 20 mm, it's compatible with many clocks. The compact size makes it easy to handle and install. This kit is ideal for anyone who enjoys crafting and creating. Unleash your creativity and build a unique timepiece. What we like. Get 5 movements and 5 pairs of hands in one kit. If you need multiple movements for various projects or want to have backup parts on hand, this is the best option. It's perfect for those who want to create several clocks or need extra parts for repairs. What people say. All I had to do was purchase some AA batteries and screw a hole through the wood. Everything else was included in this pack, including 5 different sets of hands depending on your taste. The ease of use was fantastic, and the diversity of hand selection was a huge plus. The long stem on them makes it easy to fit even the thickest piece of wood that I am using. The fact that they give you so many different hands to choose from means that whatever color clock I am making I will always have the correct color hands to go with it. Replaced clock mechanism in a good-looking old clock, saving a lot of money than buying a new one. Number 1. 6-piece clock movement repair kit. This kit has everything you need to fix or build your own clock. It's easy to use and comes with all the parts you'll need. It features a high-torque, long shaft movement for accuracy and dependability. Enjoy quiet operation without the annoying ticking sound. The shaft is approximately 13 mm long, and the thread is about 5 mm. It's designed to fit a 3 mm thick clock panel for a perfect fit. Choose from 6 different pairs of hands to customize your clock's look. Hooks and pastors are included for easy installation. Ideal for repairing or creating clocks of all types, from cross-stitch to frameless designs. Unleash your creativity. It provides accurate timekeeping with a smooth, quiet sweeping motion. Enjoy a peaceful environment without the constant ticking. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes 6 movements, 6 hand styles, plus extra hooks and pastors. If you need a complete kit with all the extras, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want everything they need in one convenient package. What people say. Easy installation. Most people will want the long shaft motor, but if your clock has an enclosed face, in some cases the short shaft may be more appropriate. My enclosed face 420 clock fit the long shaft just fine. The motor clipped in top and bottom on my frame, so I didn't need the nut and washer on the face of the motor. Put all 3 hands on at 12 o'clock for easy adjustment after installation. It would be easy to cut hands down for a smaller face if needed. Battery has a nice snug fit. The silent mechanism. Keeps time just fine. Seems to be quite accurate. Used one of these items for the clock I 3D printed. I didn't expect it to be that accurate, but it keeps amazingly good time. Would definitely recommend. Once you learn how they attach, it's a breeze. They are very elegant. IDK, they look and feel quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.